beautiful, welcome back to my channel. If you're a new subscriber, you're welcome to the family, and if you're an oldie, hey, thank you for sticking around. Okay, so you guys, today in fact right now I'm in my plant girl era, okay, both artificial and real plants. So today's outing, I went to search for plants. If you see the palm tree that I just passed, I don't know what they call it. It's not a palm tree, but hey, you get the gist. So I was comparing it with these other two. This one is actually the smallest one. This one was about $50, $59. The other one was, I think, $90 something or so. So I was comparing the heights. It gives the same feel, but one is actually better than the other, right? So I was just trying to decide what exactly I wanted to get. And actually, what actually brought me here was the olive tree, this particular olive tree design. This is actually what I came to get. But when I saw that one caught my eye. And guess what? I ended up buying that one instead of the olive tree. Now, I'm undecided whether I still want the olive tree or one other tree. I'll show you guys later in the video. There's one other plant I saw in IKEA that I've also been looking at. But anyway, the olive tree is still in my, is in my list, but I don't know if I've decided to actually get that one. So I eventually decided to get this plant, and the plant was, I think, $79. So I picked up this plant. You guys, it turned out really nice. I will show you guys much later in the video. This plant was $79. It was kind of in between the three I looked at. So one was $59, this was $79, and the other one I think was $99 or $98, something like that. But this is a pretty decent size, and I liked the way it looked. So I ended up getting this one. They've just packed it up for me. And I was done with this place for today until I make up my mind if I'm actually going to come and get another plant from here or from IKEA. But anyway, that was it. I made a quick stop at the Asian store to get bread. You guys, there's one bread that they sell here. Luxury or nothing. Meanwhile, this is T&T Supermarket, and in T&T Supermarket, if you're in Canada, they actually have they also have like skincare stuff. So that's what I'm just showing you guys here on my way to get the bread. So all your favorite Korean skincare brands, they have it here all stocked, okay? So just in case you're looking to buy skincare and you want to see it before you buy, you can check out T&T Supermarket. They have all sorts, both the ones that are trending on social media and the ones that are not, okay? But anyway, I went to get my bread. This bread, let me tell you, they slice out the top and the bottom part of the bread. So you don't even have to worry about who is eating the bottom or the top part. Can you see how fresh looking it is? You know what? I actually eat this bread once in a while, because if you follow this bread there, now fat, you go fat, nothing else. But yeah, so I got the bread. It's always fresh. Like, you can even see a bit of steam inside the bag, like fresh off the bakery, right? So yeah, I got the bread. They have several other things here, seafood and whatnot. A lot of things that they have here, Korean snacks. They even have like a fast food place where you can get all them broccoli, black-eyed beans, sauce, and all those things that they have there. But yeah, that's all I got from here, and I made my exit. T&T Supermarket is actually a very nice place, and I think it's reasonably priced. If you're looking for hard chicken, you can get it in T&T Supermarket, okay? So if you have anyone around you, go ahead and check it out, okay? And let me know, okay? Then I made a quick stop to IKEA. Now, it's in IKEA. I came to get, my sister actually told me about the snake plant. I don't like to call it snake plant. It's either you call it snake plant or mother-in-law's tongue. So I would prefer to call it mother-in-law's tongue, okay? So I just made a quick stop at IKEA to pick up the plants. That one is a real plant, and it's a house plant, and it's low maintenance, okay? I also saw the palm tree here, so I just came to check out their price. I think theirs was a bit more expensive. But anyway, back to the plant. So yeah, it's a house plant, it's low maintenance. For someone that is just getting into, plants and all that, I think it's advisable to just stick to, low maintenance plants first of all before you, take the big leap. I saw this basket, everybody and their mom. You guys remember when this basket was trending on social media? I saw it here. I think, what was the price just now? $14.99. Yeah, so I was just looking at it, considering if I wanted to use it to pot my plants, but I don't know if that's the aesthetic I'm going for. But anyway, so I made my way to the plant side. Now this is the other artificial plant that I was thinking of getting. I think this one is $69. Yeah, I think it's $69, this one. So I was actually thinking of getting this one since I've already gotten the palm plant. I was thinking of getting this one as well. So I'm still torn. I'm not sure. What do you guys think? Do you guys think this one would be like a nicer option to complement the palm one? I've also had this in my list. I don't know, between this one and the olive plant, I'm not quite sure which one to choose. I haven't made up my mind yet anyway, but yeah, as time goes on, we'll see how that goes, because I want to put the second plant in the dining area by the time I buy it. Okay, so anyway, I'll make my way to get the mother-in-law's tongue. Okay, so like I said, if you're looking to get like low maintenance plants, you're thinking of aloe vera, the mother-in-law's tongue. The other ones, I'll show you the section where they are, but I'm just looking at pots and trying to see if I could actually get a pot that will fit the plant. I already have a pot in mind, and it's in Costco. That one is just call it $40 because it's $39.99. But I'm eyeing that pot and trying to see when it will go on sale. I saw this one. It's plastic and it's $45, which is too expensive. I don't understand what's making it expensive, because of the tire or what, but it wasn't what I was going for. The one in Costco is actually nicer, so I'm just waiting for them to go on sale. I don't want to buy it and they will go on sale and then I have to do a price match. I don't want to go through all that. But anyway, these are the low maintenance plants I was talking about. So these plants are house plants, and house plants are good for the house. Like, it takes in like toxins and all that, and I don't know. Yeah, it's just good. My sister said get house plants, so I'm getting house plants. But yeah, she said something about formaldehyde and all sorts of things. It also helps with mold. Yes. It helps with mold in the house. So like, if you can buy a lot and spread it across your house, if your house is molding, which is not common in Nigeria, so like all these abroad houses, you can put it there and it will help with mold. If you don't have anywhere to vent the bathroom, these plants will actually absorb all that moisture. So there were two types. I saw that first one, and then this one is $24.99. But that's not the price I saw online, okay? That's not the price I saw online. So I ran back to the other side. This one is actually bigger, which I don't need. I don't need to make this much investment, being my first time getting a plant. So you can see where they wrote it, mother-in-law's tongue. So I went back to get the smaller one, okay? The smaller one is, I think, $9.99. I'm not sure. Yeah, $9.99. So yeah, that's the one that I decided to get first. Let me just make my choice first and then see if I actually have a green thumb, and see how well that goes. If I'm able to maintain it, then I would start adding more, of which I eventually added aloe vera. I added aloe vera eventually, but that was when I came back the second time. So just right under the plants, they have pots where you can just put it inside, because the actual container where the plant is potted, it has holes under in case of when you're watering it. So you actually need another pot to put it inside. So this pot is $9.99, and I'm not willing to make that much of an investment for something I don't know whether it's going to live or not. But anyway, I still picked up the plant, and then I went on to look for a reasonably priced pot for it. So this is actually the one I picked, which I eventually returned, but I ended up picking this one. I was looking at other colors. Alright, so that one was decent, and the price was decent, even though I changed it for something cheaper later when I came back home. But at first, this was what I picked. So it came in two colors, and in hindsight, you know what, the grey one actually matched better with my kitchen, because I actually planned to keep it in the kitchen. But yeah, I ended up with the black one. I was just checking out other pots at this point, just looking to see, checking their prices, if it's budget friendly, because like I said, this is the first time I'm trying this thing out, and I'm not ready to to make that much financial commitment to something I don't know if I'm actually good at. But my only consolation is that they said it's low maintenance, so you just have to water it, I think once a week. Yeah, once a week. So I decided I'll pick out Sundays to water the plants. So, because they have different sizes of plants here, so it depends on whatever plant you pick up. So you can get like a nice pot for it. I also saw this woven basket. So this one was a perfect fit for the cup, or what will I say? Yeah, for the container of the plant. This one was $6.99, which is cheaper than what I actually got. But so this is what this one is looking like. You guys can see there's space in it, which is what made me buy it. Actually, you need something that's at least there's movement in there. And then I'm checking it out with this one. It's a perfect fit. So if I water it, the whole water is just going to pour from the sides, as opposed to the other one that has room. So if I water it, at least the water will pour into the pots. On my way out, I saw this plant. This will come much later when I've done my decoration in the living area. Also, I ended up getting aloe vera. And I'm also looking to get cactus, because one of my colleagues at work told me that cactus is also low maintenance, so I'll probably get that. But yeah, on my way out, I saw this aloe vera plant. I didn't get it today, but I eventually came back to get it. And when I came back to get it, I ended up changing the pots for my plants. So guess what, guys? On my way out, I saw another, will I call it species, of the same mother-in-law's tongue. And this one had yellow linings. It's finer than the first one I saw. So of course it was a no-brainer. Like, this one is green and yellow. The other one is just pure green. This one has, small serere around it. So of course I ended up exchanging it. I ended up exchanging it for what I took before. So I returned the previous one and then ended up taking the green and yellow one with my pots. Okay. What do you guys think? I think this one is nicer because of the color. It's the same thing, the same effect and everything. It's the same price safe. But this one is just, more beautiful. I don't know, but yeah, that's what I think. What do you guys think? Let me know. So this is just me, making my way out of IKEA. This IKEA, if you stay here too long, you start buying things you did not plan for, okay? So I came in for that plant. I got the plant and I just kept my head straight because I didn't want to look at any other thing. I got the plants and the pots and I left. Shike now. That was it for this plant shopping. So I ended up getting that, I call it palm tree. Honestly, I don't know what that thing is called. I'll look for the name and insert it. But yeah, I ended up getting that and the mother-in-law's tongue and my pots, okay? And I'm just leaving IKEA now. And my beautiful plants. I can't wait to see if I actually have a green thumb to maintain this. We'll see down the road. Then I made a quick stop at Bogban because I like the coconuts. I call it, I don't know what they call coconut candy, like shredded coconuts. I like to use it for my oatmeal. You guys, if you haven't tried it, just try it and let me know, okay? When you make your oats, right, sprinkle this like sweetened, if you're the kind that likes sugar. I have a sweet tooth, so I like to take the sweetened one. Sprinkle the coconuts, the shredded coconuts on your what's it called, on your oatmeal, and let me know. Meanwhile, I tried their plantain chips. It's just as good as the Nigerian one as well. So guys, this is the final look. So I'm going to get a flower pot to make it elevated so it will be higher. Just something nice. I don't know. Now the confusion is, should I get something black or maybe like gray or white? You guys should let me know. What do you think I should get that would match this? I really like this. At this point, I'm tempted to actually go back and get a second one for the dining area. But I don't know. Should I still get like this palm, or I should get what's it called, the olive tree one? Because funny enough, that's even the one that actually took me there. But yeah, I saw this one, and then for some reason, oh, I need to take out the price tag. For some reason, I decided to get this instead. My nails won't let me. I'll take this out later. But yeah, this is what it's looking like. What do you guys think? Do you think I should get exactly the same things so that it ties to the one I would put, the plant I would put in the dining area, or do you think I should get something different, like the olive tree one, which I've actually always wanted to get? So you guys should just let me know, and I'm going to end this video here. Remember, be good to yourself, love yourself, and love others. Bye. Thanks for watching.